what's going on with my hair. The thing is, I got a wig. Yay! It's my first wig from a Nigerian brand called Natural Girl Wigs. One of my blogger friends, her name is Bukky, and her handle is called Pretty Vase. She did a collaboration with Natural Girl Wigs, and she has a wig called the Lady Dior Wig, and she sent me one. So yeah, I'm really excited to see it. This is it. I actually haven't tried it on before, so yeah, this is like an unboxing, and I will style it as well. This is a hair maintenance guide, so spraying hair with little conditioner and water mix before manipulation. This is really good instructions. It says, "Dear Queen, thank you for choosing Natural Girl Wigs as your preferred natural texture extension brand for this purchase. We are a team of black creators passionate about everything hair for women, embracing their true texture. We appreciate you and can't wait for your next purchase. Love and light." Okay, that's nice. And then there are pictures of girls at the back, and she is a content creator. She's a content creator as well, but I don't know that person. Okay, so this is it. It has a band and 2 combs, and I'm just gonna put it on. Wow, it's quite dark. It is quite dark. Interesting. This is straight from the pack. I haven't like done anything to it. This is what it looks like. I like the fact that the wig cap is quite tight, like it's well fitted on my hair. I know it won't fall off if I shake it. So I'm just going to play about with it off camera and then come back and show you my preferred way of styling it. So you guys, so I just brushed it out with this brush, and look how full and bouncy it is. Like look at this. I really like how full this is. Honestly, it's giving me like Diana Ross vibes. Oh my gosh, stunning. I'll come closer. And the good thing is you can wear it as a fringe. Or you can separate it. I like the fringe vibe. Mysterious lady. It's too much. You just pack it back. Guys, look how fluffy this hair is. I think it will be really nice as a ponytail as well. Oh, it costs 25,000 naira from Natural Girl Wigs. Tangling hair mist from Morrison. You can even pack it back if it's too full. So like this. Hey guys, so I styled this wig in a variety of ways. Let me know which way you think suits me best. It's a premium fiber wig. It's 18 inches. It's available in color 1B and color 2, and I was sent it in color 1B, which is slightly darker than color 2. You can see the models here. The one on the left is wearing the darker one, color 1B, and Bukky is wearing color 2. I like the fact that it's really versatile and it can be styled in a variety of ways. Like I actually like it packed down like this in a low bun. Another YouTuber styled the same wig in a high bun, and I'll link to her video in the description bar. She didn't brush hers out the way I did. Let me know if you prefer it brushed out or in the form in which it came. Also, let me know if you've ever gotten any wig or ponytail from Natural Girl Wigs. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye! Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Catch you in my next video.